Hello, all. Welcome to the day 30 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 12. The question goes like this. In answering a question on a multiple choice test for class 12, a student either knows the answer or guesses. Let 3 by 5 be the probability that he knows the answer and 2 by 5 be the probability that he guesses. Assume that a student who guesses at the answer will be correct with probability 1 by 3. Let E1, E2, E be the events in which the student knows the answer, guesses the answer, and answers correctly, respectively. So, based on the passage given, we have to answer the following questions. So, let's take down what is given in the question. E1 is student knows the answer. That is, P of E1 according to the passage is 3 by 5. E2 is student guesses the answer. P of E2 is equal to 2 by 5. E student answers correctly. P of E given E2. That is, the answer is correct provided the student has guessed, which is equal to 1 by 3. First question, what is the value of P of E1? That we have got already, which is 3 by 5. Answer is D. Value of P of E given E1. E refers to student answered correctly and E1 refers to student knows the answer. When the student knows the answer and it is correct, the probability should be equal to 1. Question number 3. Summation k equal to 1 to 2. P of E given Ek. P of Ek equals P of E given E1 into P of E1 plus P of E given E2 times P of E2, which is equal to 1 times 3 by 5 plus 1 by 3 times 2 by 5. 3 by 5 plus 2 by 15, which is equal to 11 by 15. Answer is A. Question 4. Value of summation k equal to 1 to 2 P of Ek. This is equal to P of E1 plus P of E2, which is 3 by 5 plus 2 by 5. That is 1. So answer is C. Question 5. What is the probability that the student knows the answer given that he answered it correctly? That is P of E1 given E, which is equal to P of E1 times P of E given E1 by P of E1 times P of E given E1 plus P of E2 times P of E given E2. P of E1 is 3 by 5. E given E1 is 1 by 3 by 5 times 1 plus 2 by 5 times 1 by 3, which is equal to 3 by 5 by 11 by 15. On simplifying it further, We will get the answer as 9 by 11. So answer is C. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.